Hello and welcome to Bark and Skin. This is a brand new YouTube channel. It's going to be about, certainly to begin with, about hammocking out in the wild. The bark is the trees, the skin is not me, it's the real star of the show. It's this super budget hammock that I've been living in for the last 14 nights, that I've spent 20-30 nights in overall, and has enabled me to do what I'm doing. As you can maybe tell from my voice, I'm from the UK. Where I live, it's 10 degrees cooler and raining at the moment, and there's no Mediterranean Sea. I'm actually in sunny Spain, and this hammock has made it all possible. I've rented an electric car, and I am living out of this hammock. I'm staying in beautiful spots. The car gets me there, I set up the hammock, and I get a beautiful night's sleep, super comfortable. I've got somewhere to hang out in the day. You know, this is my lounge, my office, and my bedroom. It's honestly, it's so good. And that's what I want to share through this channel, is like how I'm doing that, what gear I'm using, budget gear, and how you can do it. You know, that's what I didn't have any idea about making this channel in the past. I'm just out here doing this. A year ago, I was at home watching videos on wild camping, and that's where I first saw somebody camping in a hammock, and I thought, oh, that's great, right? So I got the best cheap one I could see, the cheapest one I could see really, and I've been out there doing it in the UK in all weathers. I've got a tarp which protects me from rain and winds, all of that, and I'll show everybody where to get this, how to use it, budget, right? You can be out here doing this for less than 100 quid, for sure, less than 100 pounds, 100 euros, $100, but the point being that, you know, I'm out here for a month in Spain. I've got a rented car costing about 30 euros a day, but I'm staying for nothing. You know, I spent 2 nights right here on this beautiful beach behind us for nothing. I'm not doing it with permission. I'm not asking permission. I'm doing it where no one knows I'm there. I'm doing it super responsibly. You know, for me, it's about being out here in nature, enjoying it. Nature, there's more nature to enjoy today than there will be tomorrow, or the month after, or the year after that. So this channel is about helping you to bridge the gap between where you are now, if you're not doing this kind of thing, to actually getting out there and giving it a go. Whether that's knowledge, this channel will help with that. Whether it's cost, you know, we've got the budget gear. I know what to recommend. There'll be links for everything, affiliate links, so you don't pay a penny more. I might earn 50p or whatever, to put into new gear to review for you. And if it's safety, security, we'll talk about that too. And one of the videos I've already got planned is for you to send to a mate saying, I really want to give this a go, will you come with me? You know, and they'll need a sleeping bag, an insulation mat, and a 14-pound hammock. But, you know, it's still super cheap, right? So that's what this channel's for. This thing has been absolutely amazing, and I love it dearly. And I really just want to share that with people who are interested. If you're already into camping, into hammock camping, we'll talk about hammocks, we'll talk about why hammocks over blue bags, tents, etc. And there's definitely some tips and learnings which I'll share as we go as well, on site selection, how to put the hammock up, everything you need to know. So please do subscribe if that's of interest, if that's something you want to see. Obviously give the video a like if you've liked it. All of that stuff is going to guide me as to whether or not this channel's, you know, of interest. If there's still people interested and watching, then I'll still be making videos. If you already think a mate of yours is going to love this, then share it straight over to them now. And please, if you want to see any of these other things that I've already shot, some of them, they'll be up on the channel very soon. Then of course subscribe. If for any reason you haven't liked the video, please, before you go, do just leave me a comment. Let me know. I'm very new to doing this. This is not something I planned. This is me trying to share some information and knowledge and experience and tips, whether it be gear or otherwise. So, you know, audio quality, video quality, everything. Just let me know in the comments, and you know, I'll read them all. So yeah, I'm really excited to start this journey. I don't know how long it's going to last. I think that's really up to you guys. So if you're interested and you want to know stuff, then let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.